Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to take this liftgate strut out. Before we do that, you want to have someone hold the liftgate for you or have something to support it. To start, I'm going to take a 90-degree pick, and there's a little lock tab in here. So slide it in that slot, pull this little lock out, and then that will slide off like that. Then up top here, I'm going to use a 10mm socket, an extension, and a ratchet. Take this bracket off. Once I get these kind of loose, I can do it with my hands. And there's the liftgate strut. Now we're going to install the liftgate strut. Take the 10mm bolt, get that one started. And grab our other 10mm bolt, get this one started. You can snug these up. And use the ratchet. Just snug it a little bit tighter. All right, and to get this on, just line this up, push it on. Now we can remove our support. Close the liftgate.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.